Hi guys, it's Louise. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create the halo eyeshadow effect using the VISEART Warm Edit Palette. So if you want to see me create this look, then keep on watching. So as per usual, we'll start with a good skincare. You'll see me using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and the Magic Eye Rescue a lot because I love it. Today I'm going to use a makeup sponge instead of a brush just to show you the difference between applying a foundation using a brush and a sponge. I'm using a damp sponge to apply my foundation, and as you can see, the finish is more natural, more skin-like. I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation because I know that this is full coverage foundation and it will really test how the sponge performs. I'm using the same technique application like I've done before. I just used a darker foundation, that's why my contouring is not as dark and visible as it was. So back to the sponge, I'm using the Gino & Co. Mini Microfiber Sponge to blend out the concealer highlighter that I've applied. Using a smaller sponge gives me more control on where and how much I want to blend the product. This sponge is damp as well, and compared to the beauty blender, it didn't move the layer underneath the concealer, so my foundation is still intact. Since my contour is not that dark, I'm using a liquid bronzer to amplify the warmth on my face. I apply the liquid products first as a base, and I use the sponge to apply it, and then I apply my powder, blush, and bronzer. And now I'm applying my powder bronzer to amplify the liquid bronzer that I've applied a while ago. And now to the star of the show, the VISEART Warm Edit Palette. This is my first VISEART palette and I have no regrets in buying this product, and I think I'm gonna buy some more. I'm applying the shade Flame on the inner and outer corners of my eyes as a base for the halo look. Then I'm blending it outwards into a wing shape. Now I'm applying the shimmery shade Bronzed Peach in the middle. And to brighten it a bit more, I'm layering it with the shade Moonstone. For the transition, I'm using the shade Nude Caramel. So I'm applying it on the crease and connecting the inner and outer corners of the eyes. To darken and define that wing shape, I'm using the shade Chocolate. I'm also applying the shade Chocolate on the inner corner of my eyes to define that halo. Now on the middle bottom lash, I'm applying the shade Bronzed Peach. And on the outer bottom lash, I'm applying the shade Chocolate to connect it with my wing. And just to keep things interesting and popping, I'm applying the shade Mars on my inner bottom lash. And to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone, I'm using the shade Moonstone. I'm not gonna draw a strong wing using my eyeliner, I'm just gonna blend it outwards with my eyeshadow wing. The eyeshadow didn't have a lot of fallout. I'm just going back with my concealer for definition. These lashes are everything. It changes the whole look. So I did brow lamination at home and my brows look so much better. And I'm just defining it by drawing hair-like strokes. And I'm going in with my concealer to define the brows more. Don't be afraid to go back with your final touches. Those little details make a huge difference. Using the MUA Academy Lip Liner in Sincere, I'm lining my full lips. Not overlining it, just outlining. Then I'm dotting a bit of Stunna lip paint in and bottom to give dimension to my lips. And to seal my makeup, I'm using the Argan Plus Uplifting Facial Mist. And we're done! So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any requests on any other makeup looks that you would like me to do, please comment it on the section down below and consider subscribing to my channel. See you next time. Bye!